How to enable and customize the new dynamic wallpapers in iOS 18.3. Firstly, open Settings on your device. In Settings, go to the Accessibility option. Inside, select the option Motion. Inside Motion, make sure that Reduce Motion option is turned off. Go back to your previous page and select Wallpaper. Now tap on the option Add New Wallpaper. Now on this menu, you can simply scroll down to see new wallpapers. This one is from the iOS 18 collection. You can select any of these wallpapers and customize it accordingly. Once you are satisfied with the wallpaper, you can simply tap on the Add option at the top right corner and add it to your lock screen. You can also click on Customize Home Screen to customize it further. In your lock screen, you can simply tap and hold on any of these widgets to change their position, and you can delete any of these icons by tapping on the minus icon. If you want to add more icons, then click on Add Widgets. That's all for today. Thank you.